Everyone, so I already let my agar plate sit for about 2 hours. I have placed my 2 discs already, the gentamicin and the novobiocin. So I will show you how to place the antibiotic disc for penicillin onto my agar plate. So I'm going to get my tweezers that I've been soaking for 30 seconds in alcohol here. I'm just gonna briskly dry it off. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna grab my penicillin disc. Okay, and then I'm going to place it into my penicillin area on the agar plate. Okay. And I'm going to gently press onto the disc to ensure that it is secure onto the agar plate. Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to let the agar plate to remain lid side up for 10 minutes so that the disc attach securely to the agar surface. After that, I'll place the plate agar side up in my incubation location and incubate it for 12 hours. So based on my hypothesis for this is that S. epidermidis will exhibit resistance to penicillin. Since it is considered bactericidal, this antibiotic leads to cell death. S. epidermidis will also exhibit resistance to gentamicin as it is able to stop protein synthesis and end bacterial cell growth and division. This happens when ribosomes are bound to gentamicin. I do think that S. epidermidis will be inhibited by novobiocin since it is a bacterial static antibiotic which causes an inhibition of growth rather than cell lysis and death. Okay, and so after 12 hours, I'm going to check my Kirby Bauer diffusion plate for bacterial growth, which should appear as a white film or lawn covering the agar. And if no growth is observed, I'm going to continue to incubate for another 12 hours. Okay. And then, for taking my results, I'm going to remove, without removing the lid to the plate, I'm going to measure the zone of inhibition around each disc by placing the ruler that I've been provided from the hands-on lab over the center of each disc and measure the diameter of the zone with no bacterial growth. All right, and that concludes this lab. Bye-bye.